Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a text box in Google Sheets. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to add annotations, labels, or any custom text elements to your spreadsheet that stand out from the regular cells. Let's dive right into it. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing in with the account that has access to the spreadsheet you want to work with. After logging in, you'll land on the Workspace dashboard where you can see all your files and folders. From here, simply click on the spreadsheet where you want to add your text box. This will open the file and you'll be ready to start making your additions. Now look at the top menu bar of your Google Sheets interface. Click on Insert from the menu options. A drop-down will appear with various elements you can add to your sheet. From this list, click on Drawing. This opens up a separate drawing canvas where you can create and customize your text box before adding it to your spreadsheet. In the drawing window that opens, direct your attention to the top toolbar. Here you'll find several icons for different shapes and tools. Click on the text box icon, which looks like a double T. This tool allows you to create a customizable text box that you can design to fit your needs. Once you've selected the text box icon, drag it across the canvas to create your text box. You can make it as large or small as you need by adjusting the size as you drag. This flexibility ensures your text box fits perfectly with your spreadsheet layout. Now it's time to add your content. Simply click inside the text box and input the text you want to display. Type whatever message, label, or annotation you need for your spreadsheet. To make your text box more visually appealing, click the pencil icon at the top of the drawing window. This tool allows you to insert a border around your text box. Once you click it, you can pick a color that matches your spreadsheet's theme or stands out as needed. Right beside the pencil icon, you'll see the border weight icon. Click on this to modify the thickness of your border. You can make it thinner for a subtle look or thicker to make your text box more prominent. If you want to change the background color of your text box, click on the paint bucket icon at the top. This will let you fill the text box with any color you prefer, making it easier to highlight important information. For better text presentation, click the three dots at the top of the drawing window. From the menu that appears, select Text Alignment and set it to center. This ensures your text looks balanced and professional within the box. Finally, once you're satisfied with how your text box looks, click Save and Close. Your text box will now be inserted into your Google Sheets, positioned exactly where you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully created and customized a text box in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.